Jealous, the city is my palace. The city is my palace. Jealous, the city is my palace.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm jumping straight into it. So I have another package from Luvme Hair, and it is a 4x4 closure wig, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm bleaching it. The knots on this wig were actually really good, and the hairline was pre-plucked, so I didn't have a problem with that. So I'm using the Wella 20 developer and the 40 developer, and also the Wella bleach packet. So I'm only using a little bit of bleach, so you don't need to buy the whole jug. Like, you could just buy like this like $2-3 bleach and you'd be good. So you take a little mixing bowl, and I like to use a plastic fork, spoon, knife, whatever I can find. I'm using a knife today to just mix my bleach mixture. What I'm doing now is mixing my bleach with my developer, and I barely used like half this packet. So then I'm taking 2 capfuls of my 20 developer and only 1 capful of my 40 developer, just to give me the perfect ratio for the speed of the processing. You want to mix this till you get like a marshmallowy type consistency, but not too loose, because you don't want it to stain the hairs of your closure and bleach them too much. So you want it to be just thick enough that you can spread it without getting too much seeping through the holes. You just carefully apply it through the lace. I know it looks like I'm moving recklessly because the video is sped up, but I promise you I'm going very slowly and really just working on getting it on the lace and not too much through my lace.
Everything you do makes me love.
Knots look really good. The lace looks like it's transparent, so we're not gonna have a problem with that. Just popped my wig on. My camera is like in between dying and alive, so just bear with me. You guys can see like the lace is really well plucked, so this is no plucking at all. So I'm going to show you guys the products I'm using, because I'm doing this like glueless today. So I'm using this Argan Oil Foaming Mousse, and then I'm using my True Match Lace Tint, and then I'm using the Even Wonder Spray. Like, this made me throw my Got2b in the garbage. My Got2b's in the garbage, because this, I don't know why I wasn't using this all along. But get into this. The red one, the yellow one, and the black one, they're all bomb. So get into it. The first thing I'm going to do is spray my lace with the lace tint. Just spray it up, give it a couple sprays, and then let it dry. We were doing some drilling in my background, so it was noisy, but I'm just showing you guys the difference that the lace tint made between my skin and the lace. Before I cut my lace, I'm gonna style my wig first, because I kind of want to keep my lace on and glue it like after. So I'm going to go in with my hot comb and just kind of style it a little bit. I think I'm gonna go for a straight streak look. Can't talk. Straight sleek look today. That's just what I'm feeling. I don't know. I got the top flattened out a little bit, so I'm gonna go in with my straightener, and this is my GVP straightener. Chasing it with my comb. I'm keeping this super simple. Because like the title, beginner, super simple, anyone can do this. So you're just running the comb and the straightener through your hair. And this hair came pretty straight already. Only the ends were a little bit curly, but it's straightening like super easily. See that? Like butter. Okay, this is one side done. Ignore that. Look at the silkiness. I mean, come on. Come on, Luvme. Come on, Luvme hair. Hey guys, so my camera actually died before I was able to complete my video yesterday, and I could not find my charger anywhere, so I had to order a new one from Amazon, get that expedited, and I'm back a whole day later, doing this all over again. So picking back from where we left off, I straightened my hair already, and now I'm cutting my baby hairs. Literally, I'm gonna just like take like this little brush and just section out a little bit from the front of the hair. I just got 2 little duck clips, and with the piece that you have for your edges, same way I cut it earlier, you just gonna cut it kind of like diagonally. On the other side, we're gonna do the same exact thing. So I'm gonna go on with my even spray, and I'm gonna just lift up my lace and just spray where I'm going to lay it. The even spray dries way faster than got to be, so like you don't have to worry about always using a blow dryer. Like you can use a blow dryer if you absolutely are like in a rush, but usually I just kind of like let it air dry. So I zoomed in now so you guys can really see me putting this on my head. So then I just take it. You want to make sure that you're pulling it taut, right? I'm gonna take a comb, a rat tail comb, and then push it back, comb the hair back, and press it into the lace. Press it going on the other side, press it down. Like, it's already looking so good without any baby hairs. I'm gonna let this dry for like a minute or two, and then I'm going to come back and just cut off my lace. So then how I like to do it is I'll cut right down the center and then cut on the sides. I'm gonna just put a little bit more of my powder on these outer parts. I like to use my Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder, and this is in 360 Mocha, and I like to use this on my lace. So now I'm gonna just brush out the baby hairs that we cut already. Take a little bit of that on my brush. So I like to use the comb side and just Alright, so I have an elastic band, and I'm gonna tie down my baby hairs. So it's starting to stop my blood circulation, so I'm gonna take it off. Please don't have messed up everything I worked so hard for. Okay. Usually I'll just go in with a little bit more mousse and just fix up whatever it decided to, you know, just mess up. Alright, so while I'm waiting for my flat iron to heat up, right? Final impressions on this hair. I think that this hair is amazing. Luvme Hair is a great brand. I've worked with them before for my headband wig video. My first headband wig I ever got was from Luvme Hair, and it was so good, like so easy. So lace wise, I think the lace is really, really good. The knots, I will say, were like a little dark for me, like just a little bit. But honestly, if anyone's like close enough to your lace to be like, oh, I can see your knots, you're too close. You're way too close, and you know you're too close. The hair is not super thick. Like, let me bring it all to one side so you can see. The hair is not super duper thick, but it's like it's full enough for like a nice full everyday look, you know. Overall, this hair is definitely a must buy. I definitely recommend this brand. Love Me Hair. So I think I'm gonna clean up my parting just a little bit. I'm gonna use my brush and some concealer that's already on it. Okay, that's 10 times better. I almost forgot that step. Okay, don't forget that step. And then to smooth my flyaways, I use my Even 2, but I'll spray it a little bit on my hand and just kind of mix it on my hand a little bit, and then just run it over top. And finally, for like any flyaways I have going on in my hair, I have the Garnier Fructis, and I use like a tiny amount of this stuff because it's very oily. Okay guys, so that is literally it. Like, that is the installation, the tutorial, everything in a nutshell. Let me put on some lip gloss. Oh my god. So I put on some lip gloss because it was getting crazy. My lips were so dry. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like, I know it's been a long time since I've recorded. It's probably been like, I don't know, it feels like a year. I've just been going through a lot. And I know everyone says that, but like, your girl was really fighting for her life out here. But I'm so happy that I'm feeling just so much better and in such a better place to actually sit down in front of my camera and do the things that I love again and the things that make me happy. You guys know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, tell me what you think. I am super duper excited every time I read you guys' messages, and I love responding to you guys and answering all your questions because, like, you know, why not? And also follow me on my Instagram and my social medias and my TikTok and all that other good stuff. I'm alive on there as well. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope that you stick with me, and I promise you I won't go on another hiatus. I'm gonna promise myself that. It's 2022. No more year-long breaks, please, because I can't take it. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.